Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to this easy drawing tutorial. Today we are going to draw a beautiful girl with a mask perfect for beginners. Let's start with the basics. Begin by sketching a circle for the head. This will serve as your foundation. Next, add a vertical line down the center and a horizontal line across the middle. These will help us place the facial feature accurately. Now, shape the jawline to create a soft oval face. Time to add the features. Draw the eyes on the horizontal line, a small nose below, and a gentle curve for the mouth to give her a serene expression. Let's give some hair. Outline a flowing hairstyle that frames the face nicely. Now for the fun part, the mask. Draw it over the eyes, fitting it to the contour of the face. Feel free to make contour of the face. Feel free to make it as intricate or simple as you like. Add details to the eyes like eyelashes and pupil. Then refine the hairs and mask with patterns or embellishment. Once you are satisfied, outline your drawing with a fine line or pen for a clean finish. Let's add some shading to bring depth. Focus on areas like under the chin and around the mask. If you would like, use colored pencil or marker to add color to the hair, skin and mask. Finally, erase any leftover pencil mark and make any adjustment to see fit. And there you have it, a beautiful girl with a mask, all drawn step by step. Thanks for watching and happy drawing.